Yan, ngayon, ayan, dito tayo sa Iloilo City. So, from Manila, diretso ng Iloilo, refuel lang at saka may mga binabaling mga tropa ng Armed Forces. So, from here sa Iloilo ay dediretso po tayo dyan sa may Maguindanao. Sa Mindanao naman ito. So, yan. So, it would take an hour, over an hour pa from here. Yun. Actually, first time ko dito sa Iloilo at ano lang naman, hanggang airport lang tayo, ano. Okay?
We are honored by the presence of Honorable Abdul Rauf A. Makabua. From we have the commander of 603rd Infantry Brigade.
And focus on one position will definitely be even more effective. Yung meaningful, yung hindi lang ceremonial or
to gather our gubernatorial candidates is not that difficult. Why? It is because, as you can observe,
Honorable Soharto K. Dato, thank you, sir. Honorable Dato Tukaw